Welcome to IKEA Navi Mumbai, an exciting step in our long-term commitment to Maharashtra and India. This year, as the world changed, we at IKEA India have become even stronger together, caring about our co-workers and working even harder to meet our customers in new, different and safe ways. We're even more passionate about our vision to create a better everyday life for the many people and to be the leader in life at home in India, putting our culture and values at the heart of all we do. IKEA Navi Mumbai is part of our omni-channel approach to meet many more of the many people with our affordable and sustainable home furnishing and food products, and to always exceed their expectations. Together, we will position IKEA India as a unique, meaningful and trusted brand. We will attract many more customers with our marketing concept, Home is where it all begins, and the home furnishing movement will truly move people. Through the media and events, people will know we are committed to India, a leader in life at home, and a thought leader in equality and climate. We will engage our co-workers as the best ambassadors for our brand and strengthen our employer branding. We'll continue to focus on 50-50 gender equality and activating our equality, diversity and inclusion strategy. We will know our customers and take their viewpoint in all decisions. This year is the leap year for sustainability at IKEA. Promoting sustainable living, we want to enable 1 billion people around the world to live more sustainably by the end of 2030 through sharing knowledge, advocacy and affordable solutions and products. One really exciting part is the launch of the Circular Hub right here in IKEA Navi Mumbai. And we will also integrate our sustainability green thread in-store and online. We will also continue to support the most vulnerable in our communities. At IKEA, our range is our identity. We offer a wide range of well-designed, functional and sustainable home furnishing products at prices so low that as many people as possible will be able to afford them. We will position IKEA in the hearts and minds of the many Indian people and our co-workers. We will be great teams enabling each other every day. We will all be heroes and all be humble. We are all part of IKEA India, and together we will be unstoppable. But wait, you wanted to know a little about IKEA's history. IKEA was founded in 1943 by Ingvar Kamprad in Sweden. That's where the name IKEA comes from. Ingvar Kamprad, Elmtarit, Agunnared. Over more than 75 years, IKEA has become the world's leading home furnishing retailer, and the Inca Group, of which IKEA India is part, is in over 30 countries with over 170,000 co-workers. Thank you and welcome to being part of IKEA's journey every day. As we like to say, a glorious future.